I was at home, I was on antidepressants and I was just, same routine every day and I was bored. So then I went off to Job Force Wales and I went in there and told them basically that I was sick of staying at home and I wanted to do something with my life. So they helped me then.
She'd never had any experience of working life before, so I think it was a little bit daunting for her because she didn't really know what to expect. Within 2 or 3 months, instead of observing, she was actually helping me to assess files and to write schemes of work and lesson plans, and she actually delivers some lessons herself now, which is fab.
This is a project for 14 to 16-year-olds who have disengaged from school and they come to us as an alternative curriculum. One of the girls here, she's 15, she's got a small child. It's like I can empathise with her, being a single parent, being a young parent as well, and the way the world looks at you. I just teach them about how, we bath the baby, I'll give them the virtual dolls. I took them to the hospital, see what labour ward's like, about how giving birth, and I've put 3 of them off childbirth, so that's good.
She's built trust with them because they know that she's got 3 small children herself. She did have her first child when she was 16 and she had to leave school to have the baby. And they know that and they know what a struggle it's been for her.
The confidence in her, considering where she's come from, which is not very far to where she is now, is absolutely massive. She's only going to be with us probably till about May time, and I think the project will be a massive loss without her being here.
I would like to become a qualified youth worker. I would like a job in SMART project, obviously. Don't want to leave here. It's like my home, my home from home. That's about it. A good career and a good life for my family. That's it.
Congratulations. I think you were well nominated. All the staff felt that you had done a very good job. But what we want you to do now is to keep it going and go further and further. Well done, Charis.
Without getting too emotional, you've been an absolute inspiration to have on the project. The amount of work that you've done, I couldn't have done the last year without you, and just thank you very much, and you really deserve this. Well done.
I've never won anything before, so I'm kind of excited, shocked, and I'm just thankful to Sue for nominating me. Because I don't know, that's it.